Linear equation into two variables have many forms. Same is true in finding the equation of the line. In our previous video, we discussed how are we going to find the equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept. In this video, I'll be teaching you another simple method in finding the equation of the line. So just relax and stick around for I will teach you how to find the equation of the line given the point and the slope. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated every time I will upload new math video made easy for you. Point-slope form of the equation of the line. Another way of finding the equation of the line given the slope and a point is by using the point-slope form of the equation of the line. Now let's derive the point-slope form formula. Suppose we have line L and it is a non-vertical line with a slope M and it contains the point x sub 1 and y sub 1. And it has another point also which is point x and y. Now let's show this one in the Cartesian plane. Suppose this is line L. This is the point x sub 1 and y sub 1. And we also have another point here and we call it that point x and y. In the previous lesson, given the 2 points, if we will be finding the slope, we just subtract the y coordinate all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Or basically, the slope is just the difference of the y coordinate over the difference of the x coordinate. So, y minus y sub 1 all over x minus x sub 1. By multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD to get rid of the denominator, our LCD is x minus x sub 1. So, this will become m times x minus x sub 1, and this is equal to y minus y sub 1. So if this expression be multiplied to these terms, this denominator will be cancelled out. Or you can rewrite this one into their form by symmetric property of equality. The point-slope form formula of the equation of the line with a slope m and a point x sub 1 and y sub 1 is given by the formula y minus y sub 1, and that is equal to times x minus x sub 1, provided that x is not equal to x sub 1. If they are equal, the slope would be undefined. So let's have example number 1. Find the equation of the line with a slope negative 5 and it passes through point 3 and negative 1. So substitute to the formula, our slope is negative 5 and this is our point. So this would be our x sub 1. This will be our y sub 1. So y minus the y sub 1, negative 1. This is equal to the slope negative 5 times x minus our x sub 1, positive 3. Further simplification, negative times negative, so that would be positive 1. By distributive property, negative 5 times x, negative 5x, negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Write this into standard form, transpose negative 5x to the left by virtue of addition property of equality. So this is going to be 5x, we just copy positive y. Then copy positive 15, then transpose positive 1 to the right, so that would be negative 1. Simplify, so this is 5x plus y is equal to 14. If you write this one into general form, just transpose the constant to the left, equate that one to 0. So 5x plus y minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is now the equation of the line with the slope negative 5 and it passes through point 3 and negative 1. Now let's have example number 2. Find the equation of the line with a slope negative 6 and it passes through point 1/2 and negative 4. So again, the slope is negative 6 and this will be our x sub 1 and this would be our y sub 1. So y minus our y sub 1, negative 4, this is equal to negative 6, the slope, times x minus the x sub 1, 1/2. For the simplification, negative times negative, so that would be positive 4. By distributive property, negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 1/2, so cancel the common factor. So the common factor is 2, so this would be 3. So negative 3 times negative 1, so that would be positive 3. Rewrite this one into standard form. Transpose negative 6x to the left, so that would be positive 6x. Just copy positive y is equal to, just copy positive 3, transpose positive 4 to the left, so that would be negative 4. Further simplification, copy 6x, copy y, 3 minus 4, so that would be negative 1. In general, transpose 1 to the negative 1 to the left, so this would be positive 1. So this is the equation of the line with a slope negative 6 and it passes through 1/2 and negative 4. Let's have example number 3. What is the equation of the line with a slope of 1/3 and it passes through point negative 4 and 1/2? So substitute to the formula. So y minus our y sub 1, 1/2 is equal to the slope 1/3 times x minus x sub 1, negative 4. For the simplification, y, we just copy negative 1/2. Then copy 1/3. Then negative times negative, so that would be positive 4. So copy y minus 1/2. Distribute. So 1/3 times x is 1/3 x. Then 1/3 times 4 is 4/3. So get rid of the denominator. We have to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, and that is 6. So multiply each term. 6 times y minus 6 times 1/2 is equal to 6 times 1/3 x, or x/3. Then 6 times 4/3. So cancel the common factor. So the common factor is 2. This would be 3. The common factor is 3. So this would be 2. Then 6 divided by 3 is also 2. So multiply the remaining factors. So 6 times y, so that would be 6y. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Then 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 plus 8. So rewrite. So this would be negative 2x plus 6y is equal to 8 plus 3. Further simplification, negative 2x plus 6y is equal to 11. The first term must be positive, so we have to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. So this would be positive 2x, negative 6y, and this is equal to negative 11. So this is the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line whose slope is 0 and it passes through point 1 and negative 3/4. So y minus the y sub 1 is negative 3/4 is equal to the slope is 0 times x minus the x sub 1, which is 1. So further simplification, negative times negative, so that would be positive 3/4. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So as you can see, this expression is already written into general form because the right side of the equation is 0. If we opted to write this one into standard form, just transpose the constant to the right. So that would be y equals negative 3/4. So this is the equation of the line with the slope 0 and it passes through point 1 and negative 3/4. Now let's have example number 5. What is the equation of the line with the slope 2/5 and it passes through the origin? So take note that the coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. Substitute to the given formula. So y minus our y sub 1, which is 0, is equal to the slope 2/5 times x minus our x sub 1, which is 0. For the simplification, y minus 0 is y. So 2/5 times x is 2x/5. Then 2/5 times 0 is 0. Get rid of the denominator by multiplying the whole equation by the LCD, which is 5. So 5 times y is equal to 5 times 2x/5 minus 5 times 0. 5 times y is 5y is equal to, so cancel this out. So what is left is 2x. Then minus 5 times 0, which is 0. Write this one into standard form. Transpose the positive 2x to the left side by virtue of addition property of equality. So this will be negative 2x. Just copy 5y and that is equal to 0. Multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So this would be 2x minus 5y is equal to 0. So this would be the equation of the line with a slope 2/5 and it passes through the origin. If you learned something new today, and if you like this video, please do me a favor. Kindly hit the like button, and in the comment section, kindly send me your thought about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I'll be able to help you learn math lesson in an easy way. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.